Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the freezer reed switch in this Samsung refrigerator, you will need a small flathead screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Open the freezer drawer and remove both baskets. Use the small flathead screwdriver to release the reed switch cover. Disconnect the wire connector to fully remove the old assembly. To install the new reed switch, first connect the wire connector. Then tuck the wires into the liner and snap the cover into place. Replace the two baskets. Plug the power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.